Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Arthropoda. Subphyla Trilobita. Subphylum Uniramia. Subphylum Crustacea. Subphylum Chelicerata. Class Calopoda. Class Diplopoda. Class Insecta. Class Cephosura. Class Arachnida. Orthoptera. Diptera. Lepidoptera. Hymenoptera. Coleoptera. Arthropod means jointed foot. All arthropods have jointed appendages. More than 80% of described living animal species are arthropods, with over 1 million modern species described and a fossil record reaching back to the early Cambrian. Arthropods inhabit all ecological niches and feature a variety of shapes and body sizes. All the diversity of arthropods that you see on the screen is due to long evolution, a wide range of ecological niches, adaptability to various environmental conditions, as well as the ability to quickly adapt. Arthropods have heteronymous segmentation of the body, which means that in different parts of the body the segments have different structures. Groups of similar segments are separated into distinct body divisions, tagmos. There are usually 3 divisions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The segments may merge into one another, with a tendency for the number of body segments to decrease. The most constant number of segments is that of the head, which consists of the head paddle, or acron, and the 4 segments following it. The thorax, and especially the abdomen, are more variable in terms of the number of segments. The body ends with the anal lobe, the telson. And now on the screen you see the limbs of different insects, which have different adaptations and allow them to successfully exist in different habitats. Limbs of arthropods consist of several segments, which are movably connected with the body by joints. The limbs, located on different segments, are often specialized to perform different functions: gripping and grinding food, movement, breathing, and others. Limbs on abdominal segments in many arthropods disappear. Thus, running, jumping, digging, swimming, grasping, collecting, and other types of limbs are distinguished. Now let's see the limbs of the crayfish. First walking leg, caliped. Second walking leg. Third walking leg. Fourth walking leg. Fifth walking leg. Branchiostogite. Telson. Uropod. Suture. Cervical groove. Antenna. Antennules. Abdomen. Cephalothorax. Metamorphosis, dramatic physical change. Complete metamorphosis. Butterflies. Egg. Larva. Pupa. Adult. Incomplete metamorphosis. Crickets. Egg. Larva, nymph. Adult. The venom of spiders of the genus Latrodectus contains a neurotoxin. Only females bite. Latrodectus tridacumvetus is widespread in North Africa, Western Asia, and Southern Europe. The spider is black. It has red spots with a white border on the abdomen of males and immature females. Spider bites cause severe pain, cramps, and shortness of breath. Females are especially poisonous. Their bites cause gangrenous disintegration of tissues, severe poisoning, sometimes with fatal outcomes. Person drinks well or pond water containing water fleas, cyclops, that are infected with mature, third stage, worm larvae. Gastric juices in the human stomach digest the water fleas. Worm larvae are released and moved to the abdominal tissues, where they grow and mate. Fertilized female worms migrate to various body regions, usually the lower limbs. Males die soon after mating. A year after infection, the worm begins to emerge through the skin at the site of a painful blister. On contact with water, the emerging worm releases immature, first stage, larvae into the water source, often a pond or shallow well. A free-living larva survives only 3 days unless it finds a host. Water flea consumes worm larvae, which resist digestion. In 2, the larvae undergo 2 molts within the water flea to become third-stage larvae, which can infect humans.